A separate Supreme Court ruling will make it easier for prosecutors to bring insider trading cases. This was the court's first insider trading case in 2 decades. And as Hampton Pearson reports, the ruling was unanimous.
A unanimous Supreme Court clarified the legal ground rules for prosecutors fighting insider trading on Wall Street. The justices ruled that sharing corporate secrets with friends or relatives is illegal, even if the insider providing the tip doesn't receive anything of value in return, in the process upholding a Chicago man's conviction. Lawyers on both sides of securities law enforcement say the ruling reaffirms an important historical legal standard.
In all of these cases, the further down the road one gets from the original tipper, in this instance it was an investment banker tipping his brother who tipped his friend. In all the cases, the more remote you get from the original insider or temporary insider, the harder those cases are for the government to make.
It's an about-face from a ruling 2 years ago when a federal appeals court in Manhattan overturned convictions for hedge fund managers Todd Newman and Anthony Chasen, saying they were too far removed from the inside information chain to be prosecuted. That ruling forced Manhattan U.S. Attorney Preet Bharara to drop some cases and put others on hold. Today, his office praised the high court decision. Quote, "In its swiftly decided opinion, the court stood up for common sense and affirmed what we've been arguing from the outset, that the law absolutely prohibits insiders from advantaging their friends and relatives at the expense of the trading public."
This decision is important because I think it clarifies precisely what the Dirks decision said, what it stood for, and because it was a unanimous decision.
Not only was the decision unanimous, it was speedy. The 8 justices taking just 2 months to decide the case. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Hampton Pearson in Washington.